Are you washing the dishes, Jean?
Yeah.
Got the faucet.
What's in the microwave?
Tin.
Oh, here you go.
I said I'm going to dishes.
Yeah.
You're
what's
doing
in
the dishes?
microwave?
I'm going to toast apples
Potatoes and apples in the microwave?
Oh.
and peppers.
And peppers. Oh, good.
Yeah. Now, are you cooking something in the oven?
And green peppers.
A green pepper?
Show Mommy the green peppers.
But they're finished. They have.
Is it hot? Gotta be careful.
What do you got in the refrigerator?
Toasted apples. Toast.
How about in the refrigerator?
Mm.
Oh, lots of food.
Even more? Some more stuff? Oh, wash your hands. Oh, you're doing the dishes? Very good. Now wash your hands. That's right. You need clean hands before you cook. You gonna cook us something? Can I have some corn and peas?
Cinnamon dishes.
Doing the dishes. Can you say thank you to me, Mom, Papa?
That's a meme, Papa.
Thank you, guys.